public announcement, guys. Paging their people, breaking news, ban this kind of channel. This one, they made a troll account for me. Can you ban this one or report this? Because many couple of my friends reported on this kind of a channel. Walang ginawa kung hindi paninira. Walang ginawa kundi paninira. Ban this one, ban this one. Can you ban this one? That one? This is a troll account of somebody that one of my haters. Right? I think this kind of account they made into other person because the owner of that is hated on me. So they changed into my name. So could you ban this one and report this, because many of my couple friends ban and report this into through YT. So we need your present, guys. Ban this one because this is not mine. Some of my haters made of this. Okay, ban this one. Ban this, and another one, they had made a two account, two account, guys. Wait, another one. There is another one that can you ban that one and report? Yeah. Stay away with this kind, stay away with. Also this one, guys, ban this one, report this, because some of my hater who made this, could you like report this, because many of my friends who cooperate report to the YouTube of this, and also they also block, and they also what you call that, they also block, and they also complain into the YT. So that, because they know that that is not me. Somebody, and I know who is the owner of that. Yeah. So this one, guys, paging there, this one, report this and ban this. Yeah, that one, report that one and ban that one. And also, yeah, that one also, they had three. Yeah, they had three. 1, 2, yeah. There are three account they're doing to me. Yeah, they three account they're doing to me. This one also. So could you ban this one? Yeah, and I have a greater surprise for someone. This. It made for. This is for you. Yeah. You belong this one. The owner of that three accounts, yeah, belong on this one. Wait. Belong this one. Tcharam! Hello. Whoop! You're a garbage talking. You're a mental. You're a paranoid. Oh, you are there. That is yours. I awarding you that one. That one. I awarding you that one. Whoop! You see that? Garbage. That is you. The owner of this, is that one. The owner of this. That one, The owner of that is who made in this. Tada! You belong that one. Okay? You belong that one. You belong that one. Imagine you are in the trash can because you're talking with the garbage. So you belong that one. I awarding you this is your award that you made this, and also um this is it called that? You have many you made on me. Yeah. So I reward you on this. Okay? I reward you that way. You are a garbage talking. Don't believe this kind of a garbaging person, okay? Don't believe on this kind of a lady boy. Yeah, he hiding on there because he's a garbage. He's a garbage talk, lying, everything. Plenty of enemy. Oh, that is plenty enemy. That's why that is your reward. You hide and seek in there. Oh, see that? Oh, you belong in there. So I repeat there, guys. Ban this one. I repeat the last saying. Ban this three account. Yeah. Ban this three account. That one. One. Yeah. The owner of that is this one. The owner of that one. Charan! Is the one who made that one. Yeah. That is a true account that he made on that one. Mm. He hide and seek in the trash because he's talking a trash. He's the one like what you call that some people who gave to me. Thank you for those people who gave this one because of him. Yeah, I am the one who made you that way. I am the one who made that one to a reward for it that you are there in the trash can. So congratulations that you are there in the trash can, and that is your reward to make that one. Yeah, and this, and also another one, another one, apa, another one. Ban that one, another one. Ipang-ban ni siya, guys. Mga Pilipino diha nga vlogger. I-ban ni siya nga kani nga siya nga kay nabuang na. Ban ni siya og i-report kay kani po do i-ban pud ni siya. Kani siya i-ban pud ni i-report ni siya to so that the YT can found it because many people of my friends already had already report this, and thank you so much for being that, and also there that one budaga, that is the owner who made that one, the owner of this, that one. That's why here is your reward. You hide in the trash can, okay, because you have nothing to me. So I'm only that I give on you that one. Wah! Sabi tayo maglagot. Tanawara, masuko ka na. He hide and seek in the trash can because he's always in there. The way they talk on the trash can. Udah, masuk kok gila. You belong there. You belong there. You belong in the trash can. That That is your reward to make this troll account. Imagine, he can make the troll account. Nabuang. He made that one because he really crazy over me. He said, crazy sweet skin. You crazy on me? Oh. Sweet Skit is not in love with that trash can. Trash can, my goodness. Imagine he adore in me. Wow. Gabi, no? Gihangaan gig ko. Wow. Oh, imagine guys. Imagine oh, he made that one. So, this is your reward. That one. Pula ka! You belong there, trash can. That's your reward. Ban this, ban that one, block that one, report that one, and a lot of my honey. Thank you, Han, for being there. Thank you so much. My honey also like supporting me of what people like doing things in here in the social media. Imagine guys, he made 3 accounts. Oh, oh, that is your reward. Wow. Oh, imagine, oh, trash can. Oh, because he took at garbage. Oh, you're a dirty garbage old mammal. You belong there. I post that one.